number 1. Aslında Özgürsen. Aslında Özgürsen is a drama adapted from the best-selling novel by journalist and women's rights advocate Duygu Asena. The series follows Belgin and Berna, two childhood friends now in their 40s living very different lives but facing similar struggles. Both women are battling against societal norms, male dominance, and the limitations imposed on them as women. Despite coming from different backgrounds, their challenges in relationships, careers, and personal identity mirror each other. The story is about self-discovery, freedom, and the courage to start over, no matter your age. It portrays the emotional ups and downs of women trying to reclaim control over their lives. The show doesn't shy away from addressing misogyny, inequality, and everyday injustices women endure. With powerful performances from Deniz Çakır and Bade İşçil, it delivers raw emotion and realism. Beyond entertainment, Aslında Özgürsen is a wake-up call, pushing audiences to confront uncomfortable truths about gender inequality. It's both a personal journey for the characters and a broader reflection on women's place in society. Number 2. Şampiyon. This series follows Kafkash, who was once a promising young boxer, sees his career abruptly cut short due to a tragic incident, forcing him to leave the sport and abandon his dreams. Years later, life presents him with a second chance as he steps back into the ring, this time motivated by the love for his son, Gunesh. Driven by the desire to secure a better future for his son, Kafkas is determined to reclaim his place in the boxing world and take another shot at greatness. While the show has some compelling moments, particularly in the boxing scenes, it can feel predictable at times, with few surprises in the storyline. The main couple's chemistry falls flat, but the supporting characters, like Kerem and Nesli or Sefa and Sylvie, help to bring some life to the show. The hard work put into the physical training and boxing choreography is evident and commendable. Overall, it's a decent watch, especially for fans of sports dramas, but it may not stand out for everyone. Number 3. Bir Liter Gözyaşı, A Liter of Tears. This drama series follows the emotional journey of Cihan, a bright young girl excited to begin her university life. She dreams of a new chapter filled with ambition, love, and independence. But her world is shaken when she is diagnosed with a terminal illness, a secret only her mother, Figen, knows at first. Despite the diagnosis, Cihan chooses to live fully, forming new friendships and falling in love with Mahir, a kind and supportive classmate. The bond between Cihan and her mother becomes central, as Figen quietly fights for her daughter's happiness and strength. The first 13 episodes explore deep emotions, love, illness, family ties, and hope. However, the series takes an unexpected turn in its final 2 episodes, changing tone and storyline drastically, introducing plot holes, altered characters, and confusion. Even though it felt that the ending disconnected from the original narrative, turning a heartfelt, moving series into an unrecognizable story. Despite this, the earlier episodes remain powerful, emotional, and worth watching for their touching portrayal of youth, dreams, and resilience in the face of illness. Number 4. Bizden Olur Mu. It is a delightful rom-com that brilliantly blends humor and heart, making it a must-watch for fans of feel-good dramas. This series follows Ozan and Elif, two young people, meet by chance and decide to pretend to be a couple. As they navigate their fake relationship, they get entangled in a web of emotions, family drama, and self-discovery. Their undeniable chemistry makes their romance a joy to watch, complemented by a charming supporting cast. Bizden Olur Mu offers a fresh perspective on Turkish culture and family dynamics with witty, Relatable humor. The show explores whether their fake relationship will blossom into something real, amidst laughter, emotional moments, and various oddities. Number 5. Love for Rent. Love for Rent is a Turkish romantic comedy series that follows the story of Daphne, a waitress who lives a simple life with her grandmother, brother, and little sister. When her brother is taken by the mafia for his debt, Daphne has to find a large sum of money in 24 hours to save him. Omar, a young CEO, meets Daphne at the restaurant where she works and pretends to be her boyfriend to escape an arranged date. When Omar's aunt-in-law Neriman sees them together, she proposes an offer to Daphne to work as Omar's personal assistant, make him fall in love with her, and get married to him within 6 months. Daphne accepts the offer to save her brother, but complications arise as she falls in love with Omar. The show features a mix of romance, comedy, and drama as Daphne navigates her new challenging life while keeping her true intentions hidden. Number 6. Jamdaki Kiss. Jamdaki Kiss follows Nalan, who is raised by her controlling grandmother Firaide, and lives a sheltered life without love or freedom. Working at Koroglu Company, she meets Siddharth, the heir to the Koroglu family empire, who is entangled in a forbidden affair. Siddharth, pressured by his father Rafet to marry, sees Nalan as the perfect bride despite his ongoing affair. Nalan, unaware of Siddharth's double life, believes she's found her fairy tale love. As their worlds collide, secrets and conflicts arise, testing their desires and loyalties within the intricate web of family expectations and personal desires. Even though this series has a slow pace and occasional unbelievable moments, still the series offers a unique exploration of complex characters and societal issues, leaving viewers contemplating the complexities of human nature long after the final episode. Number 7. Bahar. Bahar, a helpful young woman, starts a vocational training course in Demir's neighborhood, where they clash but soon develop a bond. Demir saves Bahar from a fire, leading to their growing affinity. Aysun, in love with Demir, marries and kills Harun as part of a revenge plot. Bahar overhears Aysun's confession and suffers memory loss in a car accident orchestrated by Aysun. Aysun, fearing Bahar's recovery, mistreats her, while unaware Demir loves Bahar. Despite their love, Demir and Bahar face turmoil as Aysun's schemes unravel, revealing tangled connections and secrets. Number 8. Ruzgarli Tepe. Zainab is the smart, well-behaved, exemplary daughter of the wealthiest family in the town where she lives, while Halil is a young man who lost his mother and father at an early age and lives with his aunt with a grudge to avenge his family. These two young people who live despite their families will find themselves in an unthinkable blind knot. According to me, this series has too much misunderstandings, coupled with a lackluster plot and an unconvincing portrayal of Halil's intense anger, appear more like a psychopath seeking revenge on non-threatening women. But the lead actress demonstrates potential with her strong portrayal of the character Zainab. Number 9. Kadar Baglari. Kerem, a successful heir to a prominent winemaking family, and Sevda, a law student, share a captivating encounter at Kerem family's Montenegro vineyard. This meeting leads to an agreement to meet again a year later. However, destiny takes an unexpected turn, reuniting them in Istanbul, where Sevda works as a maid in Kerem's affluent family's household. The stark contrast in their social backgrounds creates conflict, but their undeniable love persists. Despite Kerem's family's disapproval, they are determined to surmount their class differences, embarking on a journey to live their love without limitations. According to me, Kadar Baglari impresses me with its undeniable chemistry between Ayça Ayşin and Serkan Çayoglu, as well as its picturesque locations. While the storyline appears somewhat familiar, it promises a compelling love story and engaging drama ahead. With its talented cast and intriguing narrative, this Turkish series has captivated many viewers, including myself, and has the potential to become a beloved favorite. Number 10. Aashka Dushman. This series delves into the complex dynamics of love and aversion within a family led by Bahriye, a mother with a strong disdain for men. As her daughter Insi, played by Bas Meral, inherits this animosity, a chance encounter with Dr. Uyghur Gur, portrayed by CM Yityumolu, sparks an unexpected and transformative romance. The narrative unfolds the improbable love story between Insi, shaped by a lover's upbringing, and Uyghur, leading to a compelling exploration of familial attitudes towards love. For me, this series has generated intense engagement, with its compelling plot and standout performances. Especially the performances of Nazan Kaisal is highly praisable, so do check that as well. Number 11. Shahan-e-Hatim. Shahan-e-Hatim chronicles the rise of Shabnam, an underdog-turned socialite who marries wealthy businessman Onur to secure her place in high society. But her past, marked by bullying and a criminal history, threatens to unravel her newfound status. Amidst her struggles to protect her family and maintain her image, Shabnam becomes entangled with Masood, a captivating homicide captain, while facing off against Onur's ex-wife Melissa and his formidable mother Azel. As Shabnam navigates the complexities of her past and present, her life becomes a gripping tale of ambition, betrayal, and redemption amidst the glitz and glamour of Dubai and Miami. If you ask me, then I must say that this series delivers a refreshing take on Turkish drama, blending excitement, humor, and inspiration with the spice of romance seamlessly. While the initial episodes may feel slow, the series quickly picks up pace, offering captivating twists and turns that keep viewers hooked. Lead character Shabnam embodies the modern, determined woman, navigating challenges with resilience and ambition. With its dynamic storytelling and compelling characters, this series promises an engaging and unpredictable journey ahead. Number 12. Inji Taneleli. This series follows Azem Ujaidad, who was a literature teacher, but he gets wrongfully accused for killing his wife. When he released from prison, he seeks to rebuild his life after the loss of his wife. The story takes a dramatic turn when he meets Dilbar, a bar dancer. On a poignant journey of self-discovery and redemption, he grapples with the painful past and a hidden secret. Will Azem find what he lost and gather the scattered pearls of his life? Racing after hope, he confronts the burdens of his past to reclaim a sense of purpose and meaning in the aftermath of his wrongful imprisonment. Number 13. Yıldızlar Bana Uzak. Yıldızlar Bana Uzak tells a compelling love story of Kadir, played by Furkan Andik, and Asli, played by Burcu Kiratli, who share an unforgettable love, but it's tested when Kadir is wrongly jailed for Asli's father's murder. To clear his name and get back at the Varnali family, Kadir fights against betrayal. When the truth comes out, their love sparks again, but old secrets endanger their chance at lasting happiness. It is a well-written series, which will captivate you with its stellar cast and compelling storyline, blending suspense, romance, and exceptional performances. Number 14. Dilek Tashi. Set in the politically charged year of 1980, In Pursuit of Hope follows Mustafa, a struggling factory worker desperate to save his wife Jana's life, adopted by the wealthy Rona family. Mustafa and compassionate housekeeper Faijan infiltrate the Rona's household, sparking an unexpected romance while uncovering sinister intentions, leading to a clash between vengeance and love in their quest for justice and a brighter future. Number 15. Omar. It is a story about a young boy named Omar, whose life turns upside down when he falls in love with Gams, a relationship that his conservative father will never approve of. Gams is a middle-aged woman who returns to her old neighborhood after her divorce. While struggling to start over her life as a single mother, she finds an unexpected comfort in Omar's love, who is much younger than her. We will witness over time the struggles that Omar and Gams will try to overcome, their fight against the strict rules and the conflicts that both of their families will go through. So that was the video, friends. If you are interested in watching more Turkish series, then please watch this video. Thanks.